Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the chocolate for strawberries. First, let's prepare our chocolate. Choose a good quality chocolate like semi-sweet or milk chocolate for the best results. You can melt it gently using a double boiler or in the microwave in short bursts, stirring every 30 seconds. This ensures a smooth, even melt without burning, which is crucial for a beautiful finish. Now, let's achieve that perfect dipping consistency. Adding just 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or vegetable shortening can make your chocolate smoother and give it a lovely shine. Remember, water is chocolate's enemy, so keep it completely dry to prevent seizing. Aim for a temperature of about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it ideal for dipping and ensures a thin, even coat. With your chocolate ready, it's time for the fun part, dipping the strawberries. Make sure your strawberries are completely dry after washing. Any moisture will cause the chocolate to seize. Hold each berry by its stem, dip it into the warm chocolate, and then gently rotate and tap it against the bowl's edge. This allows any extra chocolate to drip off, creating a neat, elegant coating. Finally, let's get those beautiful strawberries set and ready to enjoy. Carefully place each dipped strawberry onto a sheet of parchment paper. This prevents sticking as the chocolate cools and hardens. Pop them into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to fully set. Once firm, store them in an airtight container at room temperature or in the fridge for a few days. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.